Neokai was a famous sculptor. His sculptures looked real ones. One day he saw in a dream that after 15 days, the demon of death would come to take him. Neokai prepared 9 statues of himself, and when on the 15th day he heard the demon of death coming, he took his place between the statues. The demon could not recognize him and was astonished to see 10 Neokais instead of 1. He rushed back to the god of death and told the matter. The god of death got annoyed and set out to take Neokai himself. Neokai was alert and stood motionless. The god of death initially got perplexed, but he thought for a moment. He said, "Neokai, these sculptures would have been perfect, but for one mistake." Neokai was unable to suffer the least blemish in his work. So he came out and asked, "Where's the fault?" The god of death caught him and said, "You are." You see, the statues were faultless, but Neokai was caught because of his pride.